Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, my name's Eva and I'm a mortgage power planner. Now in today's video we're actually gonna discuss bank accounts and more specifically the best bank accounts to go for in January 2021. And when I say best, that's in terms of kind of any switching bonuses, interest rates on any credit balances, any kind of benefits that you can get from a bank account. That's what we're going to concentrate on in this video, as well as any cashback, because if you can make money by spending money, it's a bonus. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So nowadays, it's actually beneficial to switch your current account to a different bank. And the reason for that is because banks are actually constantly competing against each other to gain more customers. And when they compete, they have to give people something that's gonna entice them to actually open a bank account with them. And a lot of the times, it benefits us customers because we get decent interest rates on any credit balances within our current accounts, cashback for spending money, for paying your bills or using your debit card, as well as various rewards for actually switching your account to them. So I wanna tell you about the 4 bank accounts that are currently the best ones, that are currently offering the best deals for either switching or just by being with them. So let's explore them a little bit further. So the first bank account that we're gonna cover off is the Virgin Money current account, which currently is the only one actually offering anything for switching your bank account to them. So in the case of Virgin Money, they're actually offering 15 bottles of wine, which isn't great if you're doing dry January, but it's always good to have wine in the house, so why not? You may as well take advantage of that offer. But aside from the wine, this one actually offers 2.02% interest rate on any credit balances up to £1,000, which to be honest is quite unheard of nowadays. Obviously with the interest rates being so low, getting 2% on any credit balances is always a bonus. And just something to make you aware of, in order to qualify for the 15 bottles of wine that I mentioned from Virgin Wines, you do actually then have to open up the Virgin Money deposit account, which only pays 0.5%. You need to open that account and deposit £1,000 into it in order to qualify for the 15 bottles of wine. However, once you've got the code and you've got your bottles, I would then transfer the money back into your current account because 0.5%, your money is better invested somewhere else. But as I say, currently, as at January 2021, this is the only bank account actually offering anything for switching to them. So do have a look at it. Now, the second bank account I want to mention is the Santander 123 Lite account, which is actually one that I currently have for my bills. And it is really, really good as you actually get cash back for paying your bills. So for expenditure that you have to have anyways. So if you have your own house especially, this is perfect for you. So in terms of how the cashback actually works, it's a stepped cashback. So they pay 3% for any water bills, 2% for gas, electricity, as well as Santander home insurance and life insurance, and 1% on Santander mortgages, your council tax, your phone, broadband, mobile and any TV costs, so like your Sky. Now, once again, some things to bear in mind with this one. Number one is the fact that they do charge you £2 per month as like an account management fee, but trust me, you don't even notice it because the cashback that you actually receive back covers that and gives you extra. Every single tier is maxed at £5 per month, so the maximum cashback you can actually earn every single month is £15, which still gives you £13 profit if you max it all out. So in order to actually qualify for the cashback, you have to pay in at least £500 every single month, which to be honest, if you're using that to pay your bills, you'll be paying that in anyway, so that shouldn't be a problem. As well as that, you'd have to have at least 2 active direct debits which once again, if you're using it to pay your bills, it's naturally going to be there. As well as you need to log into your online banking at least once every 3 months. I mean, I would advise that you log in a lot more often than that because you need to know where your money is going. However, in order to qualify for this cashback, you just need to log in once every 3 months. And that's it. Now, I've actually made over £130 just from cashback from my Santander account, and I don't max out every tier every single month because I don't have any Santander products. I don't have a Santander mortgage or the life insurance or home insurance. If I add those, I'd then probably max out the cashback and will probably earn a lot more. However, £130 for just paying my bills as I normally would, it's still a massive bonus. So I would definitely recommend the Santander 123 Lite account. Now, the next bank account I want to mention is the Nationwide Flex Direct account, which currently offers a fixed rate of 2% for a whole year on any credit balances up to £1,500. So despite being slightly lower than the Virgin Money account, which was 2.02%, this one allows you to earn up to 2% on £1,500 rather than £1,000. So you are getting a bigger benefit there, and it is fixed for the full year. However, after that, it does drop to 0.5%, which isn't very good. But for that initial year, you are getting a really good rate. Now, in order to qualify for the 2% interest rate, you do have to pay in at least £1,000 per month for that year in order to get the full interest. So do bear that in mind if you're not using it as your main bank account for your kind of your salary going in. But this one is definitely a good one to have a look at, especially now when, as I say, the interest rates are so incredibly low. And the last one that I want to mention is the Co-op Bank Everyday Rewards account, which actually gives you up to £5 per month. So this one differs to the Santander one in that the £5 is actually split into different categories. So for example, you'll get £2 if you do the following every single month. Pay in at least £800 per month, pay out at least 4 or more direct debits, opt in and stay opt-in for paperless statements, log in into your online or mobile banking at least every month, and stay within your overdraft limit. So if you do all of those every single month, you'll earn the £2 every single month. Now, in order to earn the other £3, you have to use your debit card. So for every debit card transaction that you make, you actually get 5p up to the maximum of £3, which actually works out at 60 transactions per month. So next time you're in Mackey's and you're buying that 99p burger, pay with your card so you qualify for the cashback. And that is it for today's video, guys. As I mentioned at the start, these offers are only valid as at January 2021 and could be subject to change at any time. So always do your own research before actually switching your bank account to any other provider. Now, if you do like this type of content, do hit this video with a like, and I'll try and do one every single month to bring you the most current offers out there. And also do bear in mind that opening a brand new bank account could negatively impact your credit score. It shouldn't have a huge impact, however, it is something that you should bear in mind. And with that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back on Friday with a brand new video. Bye guys.